Hello and welcome to Craft with Sarah. I am very excited to announce that registration is now open for my annual Christmas Craft Countdown event. This year I'm doing things a little bit differently, so keep watching to find out what's new and how to register for your free ticket. The Christmas Craft Countdown is my yearly festive extravaganza, where I share 20 brand new Christmas craft projects in 20 days, from the 1st to the 20th of December. This year, all 20 projects are paper crafting based. In previous years, I've done other types of crafts such as vinyl projects and mixed media. However, as paper crafting is my personal favourite type of crafting, it's getting all the love this year. Whether you've been paper crafting for years or you're brand new to your Cricut machine, there's something for everyone in the Christmas Craft Countdown. Each day's project comes with at least one SVG cut file, a materials list, full written tutorial, and a step-by-step video. The projects are kept secret until their release dates, but you can see some previews on the screen here. Get your free ticket at craftwithsarah.com/CCC. From the 1st to the 20th of December, you'll receive a daily email with links to download that day's cut file. As I said, tickets are absolutely free. You do not have to pay for the Christmas Craft Countdown. However, with the free tickets, each SVG download is only available for 24 hours after it goes live. After that time runs out, you won't be able to download it for free anymore. If you'd prefer to download them all at once and get instant access to everything right now so you don't have to wait until December, here's how. After signing up for a free ticket, you'll be given the option to upgrade to the Instant Access Bundle. The Instant Access Bundle gives you immediate access to all 20 Christmas Craft Countdown projects, which means you can download the files, read the tutorials, and watch the videos straight away. Projects in the Instant Access Bundle do not expire, so you can access them whenever you want, as many times as you want. You'll also get exclusive bonuses, such as a printable PDF worksheet for every project, which shows how to make the craft, and an edited transcript of each video. Whether you decide to purchase the Instant Access Bundle or not, I strongly recommend going ahead and grabbing your free ticket now at craftwithsarah.com/CCC, as you can upgrade to the Instant Access Bundle at any time before or during the countdown. But bear in mind, the Instant Access Bundle is currently being offered at a special price, so start thinking about it now. So, don't delay. Go to craftwithsarah.com/CCC right now and get your free ticket. If you have any questions about the countdown, leave me a comment or send an email to sarah@craftwithsarah.com. Don't forget, one new Papercraft Christmas project will be released every day from the 1st to the 20th of December. But if you decide to purchase the Instant Access Bundle, you don't need to wait until December. All projects will automatically become available to you straight away, so you can begin your Christmas crafting right now. One more time, the link to sign up for your free ticket to the Christmas Craft Countdown is craftwithsarah.com/CCC. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye!